Hi there, and welcome back to Basic Math for Economics. In this video, I want to practice working with unconstrained optimization with a single variable. So I have a problem set up right here, and if you'll notice, this is the same problem that we did back earlier on when we were talking about calculating derivatives. I want to set up this same problem through our unconstrained optimization approach and show you that we will get the exact same solution. So let's consider a situation where we have a monopolist right here, and they're facing an inverse demand function of A minus B times Q, where Q is their quantity, and they're facing a constant marginal cost of C. So I want to set this up as an unconstrained optimization problem and then solve it out. So remember, the first thing we need to talk about is what's our goal. Our goal is to maximize, so I'm going to write down max right here. What's my choice variable or variables? I only have one in this situation, and it's my quantity Q. So I'm going to write that right there. And then I need to define my objective function. Well, my objective function is just going to be my total revenue minus my total cost, which is my profit. And I can substitute in for my total revenue my inverse demand function, A minus BQ, multiply it by my quantity Q, and then subtract my total cost, which is just my marginal cost C times Q. That's going to be my total cost right there. Well, that's everything I need now. I can use this setup and I can get a first order condition. Now remember, I only need one first order condition right here because I only have one choice variable. But if I differentiate this with respect to Q, I'm going to get A minus 2BQ minus C, and then I'm going to set that equal to 0. Because that's going to be my maximization condition. And of course, this is D profit with respect to Q. Got to make sure I write that there as well. Well, this is just one equation, one unknown. Let's get everything with a Q onto one side. So I'm going to get 2BQ is equal to A minus C. And then I divide both sides by 2B. And I get my equilibrium. I get Q star equals A minus C over 2B. And there we have it. I now have my monopolist equilibrium quantity as a function of A, B, and C, my parameters in this case. And if you look at our earlier video, you'll find this is the exact same solution. The neat part about this is that I didn't actually have to remember that marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Of course, I do remember that, but it's baked into our optimization problem right here. Like right here, here's my marginal revenue. And right here, here's my marginal cost. And if I rearrange this function right here, I would have marginal revenue equals marginal cost. So it all works out for me, and I don't have to remember these rules. I just need to know how to optimize, and I will get to my solution. So anyways, this is a very powerful technique. It's very useful. And for a single variable in an unconstrained situation, it's quite simple as well. So anyways, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.